Hi everyone, it's Miss Krystal and Fressa, and we are here to do a story time with you all. Today's story is called Plants That Never Bloom, and this story is by Ruth Heller. A mushroom doesn't ever bloom. It grows on trees and leaves and things. Or in the grass and fairy rings. Some grow to be as tall as these you see. And some look rather strange to me. These glow at night. We don't know why. Mushrooms are all called fungi. Seaweed doesn't ever bloom. Some is green and often seen close to the shore. But there is more. Deeper down where it is several shades of brown. In the Pacific, in Atlantic, seaweed grows to be gigantic. This mass has broken free and floats in the Sargasso Sea, where grumpy-looking fish reside and other creatures like to hide. Whichever color it may be for seaweed, all is called algae. Deepest on the ocean bed is seaweed that is pink and red. Lichen never ever blooms. It lives on logs and trees and rocks, and sometimes grows on little stalks. Lush moss that clings to trees. And liverworms like these that grow beside a stream are green, but not a flower can be seen. No flowers. Ferns. Ferns from fiddleheads unfurl. Their cousins are horsetails, and this creeping evergreen, and not on any one of these are flowers ever seen. 200 million years ago, ferns were rather small. Their cousins, on the other hand, grew very, very tall. None of these have flowers, and so they have no seeds. They have no seeds, as I have said, they grow from tiny spores instead. But here's some exceptions. There always are a few. Like all the rest, they never bloom, but from a seed they grew. Another is the yew. And every plant that bears a cone is an exception too. In proper scientific terms, all of these are gymnosperms. And here's our mushrooms. This was an amazing story. Did you all like the story? I did too. I hope you all are being safe and continue to enjoy the rest of your day and work on your schoolwork. Miss Krystal and Fressa are leaving for today, and we'll see you again shortly for another story time.